Let's look at how we can calculate the cosine or cos for values in TensorFlow. Let's say we are trying to calculate cos for 60. Uh, the way to do that would be we'd say tf.math.cos 60, and here we'll multiply this by pi, divide this by 180, and and then that's the value we'll get for pi, which is 0.5, close to 0.5, 0.49999. We could get the numpy version of it, so we just see the final value 0.04999. Likewise, we could use the acosh. So if we type tf.math.acos x, and then again multiplied by 180 divided by np.pi, and run this, what we'll get in the output is the angle 60 that we started out with in the first place. So if we do, let's use the y variable y there. I'm going to change this to y, and then this is going to be numpy y dot numpy, and in the output then what we have is the value of 60. So that's how we can use tf.math and tf.acos. Here we looked at individual values. Now let's look at more than one values in tensor. So for that we can create a tensor tf.constant, and in this tensor we'll put some values. Let's say 1.0 comma minus 0.5, 3.4, 0.2, 0.0, and minus 2.0. Now if we can calculate several values for this, and we'll do that all in one go. So let's type all of those out. First we'll print just the number, just the tensor values itself, and then what we'll do is we'll print the values for cos, acosh, cos h, and then acos h. Print cos of x, and this is going to be tf.math.cos of x, as we saw before, and we'll convert it to a numpy array. Likewise, we can get the acos. So by typing just a in front of the cos, that's the acos, which is the inverse of cos x. Then we get the hyperbolic values, which is going to be the cos h, and this is going to be the cos h. We can create a empty line there, and finally we can also, similar way, we can get the values for a cos h, which is uh, by typing a in front of the cos and h after that. So let's run this cell, and we should see the output. So here what we have are the values for x, cos x, a cos x, cos h, and a cos h x. Those are the values. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.